In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable passive mode in GTA 5 Online. Now, all you have to do is bring up the interaction menu on the game. So if you're on PC, press the M button on your keyboard and that will bring up the interaction menu. If you're on PS5, press and hold the touchpad and it should bring the interaction menu. Now simply scroll down to the bottom and you should see the option enable passive mode and you should see a brief description of what passive mode it's all about. So to enable it, simply select enable passive mode and now you'll be in passive mode. So in this passive mode, you cannot be attacked, you cannot be killed, or you cannot kill anyone. And keep in mind that it will limit you from some free roam activities. Now if you want to disable the passive mode again, you can simply go back to the interaction menu and then scroll down and select scroll down to the bottom and you should see the option disable passive mode. Select that and then at the bottom right corner you should see passive mode will end in less than 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds passive mode will end in GTA 5 Online. So thanks for watching. If this information was useful, please consider subscribing and liking our videos.